Okay, so let's come over and look at the European indices next, and let's start with the German DAX. So you see we've got this sideways crap going on basically. Off the B wave low, I've got 5 up to here. I think I've got an A down, B is an expanded flat. I'm still looking for this drop into the target zone for the 2 to add to longs. I'm still long from lower. There is a possibility it can push up here. This has the signature of either a B wave or a fourth wave, so it fits both ideas. But if we pop up one more time, I think it's just an extension of wave 1 off the low, and we get the 2 back after that. But I think if the DAX does tend to follow the US far more so than the UK FTSE, especially in the afternoon. So if we're going to come down in the US indices, I'd expect to see the rest of this C of 2 play out, and we do have a potential 1-2 to the downside in place in the German DAX as of now. UK FTSE, usual mess for the FTSE. It can still drop down here as a 5th in a diagonal, which is the alt count on the hourly chart. Ideally, I'm looking for a push up in the UK FTSE to 76.53 to 76.77 to complete a leading diagonal off the low, and then a pullback before we go a lot higher in the UK FTSE. Nothing this morning. The thread's all up to date, and again, the latest comment in that is there's bugger all nothing going on in the UK FTSE today.